Welcome to Purpose Built. Another episode. I forgot to film an intro. We are inside now and I finished editing, but you better see what I'm getting up to. So let's get into it. So, up here on the bench, we have two bottom bits which hold the bottom of the rolling door and the rollers. They're not too bad. I got some new rollers I'm going to chuck on because these ones are a bit done. I got two main catch pieces which are both off a early car, which is what mine is. Top roller, which is just a nice metal plate with a roller on top, which I got a new one of them. And this piece is an inside piece which doesn't really matter, but it was in the little box that I had all these other bits and pieces in. So I'm going to pull these apart, clean them all up, see which one's best, and rebuild it. So let's jump into that and hopefully get one nice mechanism out of this. Oh, so pretty. So here we go. Looking nice and clean. All looks not too bad. Just clean them up, just get rid of all the gunk off them, check for cracks and bits and pieces. They crack in here sometimes, so just need to make sure it's all good. This one's all nice and clean, but what I need to do is chuck these in. So these live in there. There's a different one, which is this one lives in the top of there. But yeah, these run in here, and they just get a bit tired. Can't get it in the hole. Yeah, can't even get it in. So yeah, need to chuck all these ones out and press these ones in. So going to use my trusty steed over here, the vise, and make a little spacer up for this bit so I don't hurt it too much, and knock these pins out, or knock these bushes out, and we should be good. There we go. Ooh, that was a little bit more difficult in some spots than I thought, but oh, come on, just a silly camera. This one was a little bit of a pain in the ass to get out of the way, just because you got to hold the levers out of the way, but it wasn't too bad in the end. Come on, camera, play the game. Yeah, so it all worked out pretty well. A little bit annoying because of this lever to get that bush in and out. Oh. In not so bad, out just a little bit of a pain in the butt. And because of the shape, you can't really rest it anywhere to get it out, which, yeah, it worked. And then this one, I worked out really well. So they came out nice and easy. I marked on the backside small and large for the different holes, as you can see. Yeah, it worked good, and the old bushes were done for. They're just rubbish. So, glad to get rid of them. Now I'm just going to give this a little bit of a buzz up, take all this, come on, old shitty paint off here, get it all nice and purdy. And then I'm thinking, I don't think it's going to work very well, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going to clear it, just so it's nice and shiny. I can't be bothered getting it chrome because it costs too much, and I'm just going to give it a go. If it goes rusty, I'll pull it apart later and fix it. But for now, I'm going to clean it all up, polish it-ish, and then clear it and see how it looks. There we go, looking nice. So it's not too bad. I don't know if I like it or not yet, but it'll stay. It doesn't look too bad, but I'm just not sure how it's going to look after the car's painted. So we'll leave it. If I like it, I like it. If not, I'll repaint it. But it's coming out pretty good. So now I'm going to whack this together, and hopefully we'll have a nice, clean, finished lock. Here we go. So got all the bits pieces ready. So I just mowed it along. I didn't really talk too much. So just got everything ready. Chucked all this together. So spring back in it, all greased up, all bolted back together. Not too tight yet, but bolted. Sort of tighten up this one up here, and I think that's it actually. And then re-greased 2 locks for it. This piece I haven't really cleaned up because I have another one, but for mock-up purposes I'm going to use this. And then yeah, just clean a few other bits and pieces. So now was no intro, no ending either. But it's all good. We're there. You've seen all the good stuff. So at the end there, you see me slide it and close the door. And I did spend probably another 45 minutes there, maybe a bit longer, just adjusting the door, putting a few shims under it and adjusting the locks and stuff so it did slide and close really nicely. I did not put any grease on the slider just because I got to paint the car and I don't want to get grease everywhere and then have to try and clean it up because I'm going to miss something. It's just going to happen. So it is a bit sticky. It doesn't close as well as it would, as good as it will. Because, yeah, I just haven't greased everything up properly because I don't want it on the body. But, yeah, everything else is not too bad. There's this bit that I need to not rust repair, but just damage repair. So I'm just going to cut it out and fix it up just because the door I've got the car off had like a really bad like side damage. It looks like it's been scraped from like the A pillar to like the fuel door. So on the whole side of the car. But the only other door I have is really rusty. And so for now, I'm just going to run this door. If it ends up being a bit of a pain in the ass and not what I want, or not happy with the finish, I will rust repair the other door and then slap it on. But for now, it's all pretty good. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you're looking to do a Kombi door, all the info's there. Thanks for watching. Cheers.